dating tips for men that will make us swoon. Unlock the key to captivating her heart today. Discover the ultimate dating arsenal to leave her breathless and hungry for more. Hey there, gentlemen. Are you tired of feeling like you're missing the mark when dating? Brace yourself, because today I'm about to reveal the ultimate dating arsenal that will make her swoon and leave her utterly captivated. And my name is Ricard, and I'm the dating coach of CairoDating.com and HowToKeepHer.com. So I think I know what I'm talking about. I have over 10 years of experience in this field. And now let me introduce the ultimate dating arsenal to you. In this riveting video, we're diving deep into the secrets of dating success. This mind-blowing text will ignite an instant spark, making her heart race and leaving her yearning for more. Get ready to dress to impress, embrace adventure, and master the art of active listening. You can do that by checking the video that pops up around my head now. But wait, there's more. Along this exhilarating journey, you'll discover the power of being a true gentleman, embracing your playful side, and savoring culinary delights. Each tip is carefully crafted to ensure you sweep her off her feet and create unforgettable experiences, I should say. The ultimate dating arsenal is not your dating guide. It's a gateway to becoming the man of her dreams. Imagine the thrill of seeing her eyes light up, her laughter echoing through the night, and the enchanting moments you'll share. Don't miss out on this life-altering experience. You can check the video that pops up above my head now, or stay tuned for the 10 tips that I'm about to reveal to you so that you can unleash the dating maestro within you and become the hero of her heart. Because there are 10 tips to make her swoon that I will share with you right away. Follow these tips as you see fit, since every person is unique and every relationship has its dynamics. Here are the 10 tips to make a swoon, and I should mention that if you see my eyes flickering around, it's because I'm reading from my blog, CairoDating.com. So just be aware of that. Dress to impress. Unleash your magnetic charm through impeccable style. When capturing a woman's heart, how you present yourself plays a crucial role. Dressing to impress is not about following the latest fashion trends. It's about showcasing your unique personality and making a memorable first impression. Take pride in your appearance, groom well, and choose outfits that reflect your style. I wouldn't go out on a date looking like this, for instance, but follow those tips. I should also tell you that whether it's a well-fitted suit that exudes confidence or a casual yet put-together look, let your clothing reflect the best version of yourself. And that's the number one dating mistake that people do. They pretend to be someone else instead of being the best version of themselves. Because when you radiate self-assurance and express your style, you'll naturally attract attention and capture her heart. And if you want more tips, you can check out this video here. Embrace adventure, ignite her passion with thrilling and unforgettable dates. Routine can sometimes dampen the spark in a relationship. That's why embracing adventure is essential to keep the flame alive. Plan dates that push the boundaries and take her on exciting and memorable experiences. From outdoor adventures like hiking or kayaking to cultural escapades, such as visiting art exhibition or attending live performances, she seeks activities that ignite her passion and curiosity. Show her your adventurous side and create memories that will last a lifetime. By stepping out of the ordinary and introducing a sense of wonder and thrill into your time together, you'll capture her heart with the excitement and joy you bring to her life in no time, for sure. Master the art of listening. Unlock the key to her heart with attentive and genuine listening. Listening is often underestimated skill, yet it is robust in building deep connections. To capture a woman's heart, become a master of the art of listening. Give her your undivided attention, maintain eye contact, and genuinely focus on what she says. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Avoid interrupting or planning your response while she is speaking. Instead, listen actively and tell her you hear and understand her. By creating a safe space for her to share and express herself, you'll forge a bond built on trust, respect, and emotional intimacy, which is what women seek anyway. Channel your inner gentleman. Unleash the power of chivalry and leave a lasting impression. Chivalry may seem like a relic from the past, but its impact on capturing a woman's heart is timeless. Channel your inner gentleman and embrace acts of chivalry that show her your respect, admiration, and thoughtfulness. Open doors for her. Pull out her share or offer your hand when she needs assistance. Small gestures can leave a lasting impression and make her feel valued. Pay attention to her needs. Be considerate and prioritizing her comfort and well-being. By embracing the principles of chivalry, you'll set yourself apart and capture her heart with your genuine kindness and respect. Embrace your playful side. Ignite laughter and deep connection through playful banter. Laughter is the fuel that ignites deep connections and makes moments together more enjoyable. To capture a woman's heart, embrace your playful side and show off your sense of humor. Engage in light-hearted banter, share funny anecdotes, and enjoy the little things. A genuine and warm smile goes a long way in creating a positive and inviting atmosphere. Playfulness adds a sense of adventure and spontaneity to your relationship, making each interaction feel fresh and exciting. You'll create a strong bond based on shared laughter and joy by fostering a light-hearted environment. Culinary delights. Delight her taste buds and create intimate memories together. Food has a way of bringing people together and creating unforgettable moments. Surprise her with your culinary skills by preparing a delicious meal that caters to her preferences, or take her to a particular restaurant known for its culinary delights. The shared experience of savoring delectable dishes creates an intimate and memorable connection. Cooking together can also be an enjoyable activity that strengthens your bond. Explore new recipes, experiment with flavors, and enjoy creating something delicious together. You'll awaken her senses through culinary delights and create lasting memories that she'll cherish. Romantic gestures. Sweep her off her feet with thoughtful surprises and gestures. Romantic gestures have a power to make her feel cherished and loved. Surprise her with thoughtful acts that express your affection and appreciation. Leave surprise love notes for her to find, plan a picnic in a scenic spot, or surprise her with her favorite flowers. These gestures don't have to be extravagant. They must come from the heart. Tailor them to her interests, desires, and love language to make them more meaningful. You'll create a romantic atmosphere that captures her heart by showing her that she holds a special place in yours. Support her ambitions, become her biggest cheerleader, and fuel her success. Every person has dreams and aspirations, and supporting her goals is essential for capturing her heart. Encourage her ambitions, celebrate her achievements, and be her biggest cheerleader. Show genuine interest in her passions and support her in pursuing them. Be there to lend a listening ear, offer guidance when requested, and celebrate even the tiniest milestones along her journey. When she feels your unwavering support, she'll see you as a true partner who believes in her potential and wants to be a part of her success. Emotional connection. Unlock the path to her heart through openness and vulnerability. Building a deep connection is crucial for capturing a woman's heart. Be open and vulnerable in sharing your thoughts and feelings. Create a safe space where she can express herself freely without judgment. Please share your experiences and fears, allowing her to see your authentic self. Foster open and honest communication, listening attentively and responding with empathy. By establishing a foundation of emotional connection, you'll develop a bond built on trust, understanding, and intimacy that will capture her heart. Something is enchanting about dancing that sparks romance and creates magical moments. And this is number 10, Dance of Romance. Let music guide your steps to create magical moments together. Sweep her off her feet by surprising her with a spontaneous dance, or plan a romantic evening where you both sway to the rhythm of love. Let the music guide your steps and emotions, whether it's a slow dance under the stars or a lively dance in the comfort of your living room. Dancing together allows to connect deeper, moving in harmony and sharing intimate moments. The dance of romance creates memories that transcend words and captivate her heart. Remember, these tips are meant to serve as guidance, but it's important to adapt them to the unique dynamics of your relationship. Each person is different, so understand and respect her individuality while implementing these suggestions. And if you want the best tips, you can check the newsletter and join that by clicking the link in the description below, or check the video that pops up here above my head right now. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like and subscribe for even more free tips that I share daily with you on my blog and on this YouTube channel as well.